Hello, I'm Rick Hurd, Service Manager at ProMarks, and today we're going to show you the 𝗧𝗖-350 tabletop vacuum packaging machine. The 𝗧𝗖-350 vacuum packaging machine is specifically designed for doing whole fish or for the fish industry. As you can see, the elongated chamber is designed to do whole fish fillets. It comes with a 33-inch front seal bar and two 14-inch seal bars on the sides, and they can be used independently where you use either the sides or the front. All right, next we're going to show you the operations of the machine, basic operations. First, you're going to turn the machine on, the power switch here. Then you're going to turn your control board on, your 𝗧𝗖-𝟯�00 control board. 𝗧𝗖-𝟯 control board has 14 different programs. This is set up right now for 20 seconds of vacuum time. It can be also used in vacuum percentage. And then we'll use 1 second of seal time and 3 seconds of cool time. And you can see that as you scroll across here. We've got 1 second of seal, 3 seconds of cool time, and then back to our 20 seconds of vacuum. So basically, it's a simple operation of just closing the lid, running the cycle. Now, I'm going to stop it right now by pressing the stop button. I'm going to show you real quick one other feature here. These are the two switches to determine which of the seal bars you're going to use. So either you're going to use the front seal bar and you turn that on, or you're going to use the side seal bars and you turn that on and turn off the front seal bar. So you're going to select which ones you're going to use, either the side seal bars or the front seal bar. I'll show you the simple basic function of putting a vacuum packaging bag inside the machine right here. You're going to lay it on the boards inside right here, put the opening of the bag over the seal bar in place, and then we're going to just close the lid. And then your package is removed, as you can see, is very tightly vacuum sealed, 6mm seal. Now sometimes when you're vacuum packaging, you may tend to get a fold in the seal. You'll see like a little crease or something. And a lot of times that's caused by not adjusting the height of these filler boards right here. And these boards can be removed and added. And they see these plates right here. Now basically what you're looking for is the height of this seal bar right here should be equal to the center of the height or the thickness of your product. So that's how you adjust these. So if you've got a really thick product, you're going to remove these boards. And if you've got a really thin product, like we just did this packaging right here, you don't want to raise it up so that this comes up pretty close to flat and even. If you're doing something this thin, you'd probably even want to add one more board. But for this sample right here, that'll work for us right now. But keep that in mind when you're doing packaging, is to always make sure that these boards are used properly, and they do have a real good purpose for being here. Don't forget that this right here is your QR code to get your manual. So scan this in, go to the website, put in the serial number of your machine, and get your manual.